Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to get a free trial of Shopify. This is a great way to explore the platform, set up your store, and test features before committing to a paid plan. Let's go through this step by step. In your browser, search for Shopify and press enter. From the results, click on the Shopify link and we will be taken to the Shopify main page. Now click Start for free. Here, we need to choose an account. We can add a new account or log in to an existing one. If we already have an account, just select it. Once we click Add, we can log in using Gmail, Facebook, or Apple ID. We can pick any of these three options or use an email address instead. Once that's done, we can move on to setting up our store. If we already have an account, just click Create New Store. On the next screen, we can skip this step to go straight to the trial. Then, choose whether it is an online store or a retail store. Select the right option, click the check mark, and then click Next. Now choose whether this is for a new business or an existing one. Then click Next. Select what we plan to sell and click Next. Here, we can enter our store name. Just type in whatever name we want to use. When we're ready, click Finish. Let's wait a moment while Shopify sets up the account. Once it's done loading, we now have our free trial account on Shopify. From here, we can start configuring the store. We can add products, manage orders, and set everything up the way we want. That's all it takes to get a free trial on Shopify. We can now explore the platform and start building our online store.